Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make clay rings that are so popular in Pinterest using homemade clay. So for that we will need 1 cup of salt, 1 medium cup of flour and a bowl and an airtight container like this one and some water. So let's start. Here I am using 3 big tablespoons of salt and 5 big tablespoons of flour because I am making the clay in small amount. But if you want to make a lot of clay, you can just mix 1 small cup of salt and 2 small cups of flour. Here I am mixing the water little by little because I just don't want to destroy my mixture by making it super sloppy. So stay cautious about that and try to add little water at a time until it becomes like a clay dough. Consistency of the clay will be little hard so that you can easily make the clay rings and it will retain its shape more easily than in comparison to a sloppy clay dough. Here I am putting the clay dough inside the airtight container so that it remain moist. You can store the clay up to 7 days in this airtight containers. Let's start making the clay rings. First I am going to make a cute frog ring, and for that I am using some random sketch pen to roll it and a steel scale to cut clean edges for better shape of the ring. I am using a sketch pen and I have covered it with paper so that it does not stick to the dough. You can use a big marker pen if you want, because after baking the rings it will puff a little, so make sure to make them a little bigger than your actual ring size or it will not fit in your fingers.
2,000 years later.
I have made various different types of rings of camera and now we are going to bake them in the pressure cooker. You can use oven also for baking, and look how cute they are looking after baking. They are super hard and super crispy. Now let's color them. I'm using acrylic color to paint the rings. You can use any color you want, but I will suggest you should use acrylic color because they dry super quick and it is really easy to use them. And later, after coloring them, for extra gloss you can just coat it with the transparent nail polish, and for bling also you can use a glitter nail polish over it. It will look really pretty. After making the rings, I will suggest you that you should store them in the airtight container because they are made of flour. So after some time they will become damp and soft and soggy. So store them in the airtight container so that you can use them for a longer period of time. So here is the final product. They are so cute. I am really happy how they have turned out. You guys just can comment below which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.